Hello guys, I'm going to show you today how to cut the glass tile backsplash. Yeah, maybe you cannot make a perfect cut with a grinder blade or whatever you try. I'll show you what I used for the to cut this, that I made a bad cut with a grinder. I use this grinder with this blade that says diamond blade. That is good for ceramic and tiles, but glass tile is very special, so you cannot use this kind of stuff to cut it. The best thing is wet saw. Wet saw. Okay, you put water here and the blade is much better, and you can make a perfect cut. See, if we compare it with grinder cut, and this is uh, wet saw cut that I use this side. This is grinder. This is the wet saw cut, and this is grinder cut. So you see, it's perfect, but this one is not even. I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a good day.